Hi there everybody. Thank you for watching our Kickstarter project video. I'm Jesse Sanchez.
And I'm Mark Eastless. And together we created Lion's Grip Multi-Tool. We both know that there are a lot of other multi-tools to choose from.
But ours is a practical one. You're not going to build a house with this thing, and you're probably not going to tear apart a car.
But if you decide to, please send us the video. We'd both like to check it out.
It's a great everyday carry. You're not going to use it every day, but it's there when you need it. So if you decide to back our project, what you get is one stainless steel laser cut Lion's Grip multi-tool made right here in Riverside, California. Once again, thank you.